Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. Okay, before I start with my introduce myself from University Pendidikan Standards. Okay, in field of engineering, electronic engineering. Okay, in ICASEA, I still new 3 years. Still 3 years in ICASEA. Okay. Okay, today I would like to present. This is a title is drive-through attendance system using the radio frequency identification RFID. Okay, for your information, this title only a review, so I think not more question to ask me because this is underground DPU run still going on. So I want to attend this very interesting conference, so I write a review. So can I thank you today? Okay, next slide. Yeah, belum, oh sini dia, sorry. Okay, I'm going to introduction for our title. Okay, we are going to RFID. What is RFID? Okay, RFID frequency identification is technology used for electronic and wireless. Okay, actually similar with our first presentation keynote a few just now. Okay, this is technology used electronic and wireless identification of an object, human and animals. Okay, what is a drive-through? Drive-through, like for you want to buy KFC or McDonald's, so we use a drive-through. So we are talking about drive-through. So in ICASEA we have 2 campus. We have two campus. So sometimes we have a big function in ICASEA. So how to come and punch? We need to parking first. We need to park your car first and then to go punch. So maybe in using the drive-through system, we will be the settle the problem of attendance system in ICASEA. Sometimes I have class the new campus, so I need to park first. So the parking not enough full in some time. Okay. So I have opinion to develop this project. The title is drive-through attendance system. Okay, this is I list down here 3 main objectives. Okay, the first is to identify the RFID, effect the fast access for attendance for staff ICASEA. Okay, the second one to develop. Okay, to develop drive-through system actually focus on the distance between, like smart tag, like smart tag. Not the range actually not long, actually 1 meter away. Okay, because this does drive-through. Okay, I try to develop drive-through actually the new distance between tag and receiver. Okay. Okay, the third one is to analyze drive-through attendance system. That is the best best interface, user interface effect the performance of ICASEA stuff. Okay, we are going to small about the IT technology. Actually, we have several of technology here. You can see the ada dalam tu. Okay, maybe didn't see. You have barcode, you have RFID, and you have RFID there, and also what you call this, the codes, barcodes here. So we have several the technology include the RFID. So I choose RFID as our topic for presentation today. Okay, we are going to what if RFID. Okay, we have already we are talking about RFID, we have a text and antenna. So the communicate text with the antenna actually via the frequency, okay, and then frequency from the antenna is transferred to the system, the host, actually the QED system, to save our record and input in our out. Okay. Okay, we are going to carry a frequency for. We are talking about communication. Okay, we need the carry frequency to bring your data. Okay, refer to the property of radio wave. Use the transmit data. Okay, in RFID we have low frequency, high frequency, and also upper high frequency to bring the data. Okay, this one frequency band. We have 3: low, medium, and high. Actually, the low range is 10 to 500 K. Okay, the characteristic is short to medium range. Okay, short range, and then the medium frequency actually you can say here also short, medium, range. Okay, high frequency is long range. Actually, if you have, when you use the high frequency, actually you can you can touch text in receiver in long range. Okay, so our target maybe use the high frequency UHF, our project. Okay, frequency band, frequency and bandwidth. Okay, frequency is actually primary important when determining data transfer rate. Okay, we say the bandwidth. Okay, bandwidth also can, if the high bandwidth, you can use multi-slot atau multi people in the same time. Okay, the higher the frequency is the higher of data rate transfer. Okay, range. Okay, this one maybe our focus for range between the text and reader. Okay, so far we have RFID in USI, but we don't have drive-through system. You need still touch and go. So you need park your car first and then go to touch. Okay, so after implementation for drive-through system, maybe comes actually can better in our OPSI system for internal system. Okay, range and power level. Okay, for your information, the range that can be achieved in our RFID system is determined by the power is available at the power leader. Okay, the power leader also has a power. Okay, the power availability within the text. Within text, they also have the power supply and also the environmental condition and the consumption. Okay, tech characteristic. Okay, tech also have many, what we say here is mean by the with the transponder. Okay, you know what's the transponder. Last time we are talking about transponder so many times. transponder. Okay, which is a transponder is power, data carrying option, data read rates, programming option. Okay, and then also physical form and also cost. Okay, so this is a character of text. Okay, text also have two types, active and passive text. Okay, now we have active text. Active text powered by and eternal. So this is the difference by active and non-active. Actually, in the power system. Okay, the finite lifetimes. Okay, greater range. Okay, actually we have greater range because we have a power internal, like power battery. Okay, and also better noise eventuality. Okay, better noise, higher data rate transmission, okay, in the active text. Compare with the passive. Passive operate without battery. Okay, without battery. Okay, driver power, the field generated by the reader, less expensive, unlimited life, require more power reader. Okay, because one side actually more require power reader and orientation sensitivity. Okay, data carrying option. Okay, you can see here an identifier actually only 1 bit to 1 to 5 bit text content, and also portable data. The total is 64K only with the text only. Okay, like Mastercard, also you have chip in there. Okay, this is data option, data programming option. This one read only. Okay, we have 3 category here. Okay, if you choose the cheap read only, actually cheaper, cheap, and then write one and read many. This one, okay, under data programming option, you can select also the read and write. This one, read and read write, expensive, very expensive. Okay, why use read and write text? Why? The greater is flexibility. Customer may change the requirement. Okay, maybe in OPC or USM or VPN, maybe can change the requirement and also standard. When change, okay, standard. For example, 802.16 standard, 802.11 standard. Okay, and then the data expand dependent. This is on the key issue. You can like time. Okay, what's so special about RFID? Okay, why I choose the RFID for our project? Actually, line of sight. Okay, line of sight actually direct. Line of sight actually direct. You can see direct line. Direct line of sight is not required. Not required of line of sight. Jadi dia boleh lindung lah. Kalau lindung pun okey. Okay, longer read range, longer. If we darab the jauh sikit, okay, longer read range, and then faster. Okay, faster than the others. Okay, system or technology. Okay, this one RFID versus barcode. Okay, you can see here about the system data transmission, graphical data, okay, data notification. Actually, RFID overall actually better than barcode lah. For example, access security actually for RFID more high compared to barcode. Okay, this one actually some application for RFID for information actually in transportation is payment, delivery tracking, pallet tracking, pallet, you know the pallet industry have pallet kan, the angkat barang kan, pallet, and then building access control, okay, airline baggage tracking, tracking, okay. Identification baggage, shipping container, and also car key. Okay, car key. So use some application for RFID. Okay, this last slide. Our conclusion. Okay, based on our literature review from relate with the RFID system. Actually, it's efficient in attendance system problem that arise in our university due to insufficient parking space. Okay, not enough parking space that in our UPSI campus. We have for your information, we have 2 campus at UPSI. Okay, thank you very much. Very short presentation. Thank you. Anything small question?
It's the second campus.
Second campus, that around 5 kilometers from Proton City there. Rentan, the third campus, still under construction. Right, yeah. There is a faculty direct vocational only. One faculty go there. Okay. Okay, anything?
You just prefer for the touch, like touch and go.
Yeah.
Why not go for something like even now people using something like new maybe will come in with integrated with a car. When you pass, you will detect. So why not you prefer something like that? Because people not go for bring a car every time and go and touch. Just pass through, they will detect.
Okay. Sometimes maybe I choose the RFID because this is for punch card. Maybe I always go that around that road. So when you always every day, maybe some 2 times or 3 times, you go in the same road. Okay. So actually, I need to think about how to manage about how maybe automatic you detect. So you know you want to you do not want to touch. So automatically the system detect when you go that via that road, for example. You understand? Actually, you want to go to campus. The campus you go through that road, so the system detect you. Still detect.
That's what I mean. You don't have to go and touch. Do like a punch, touch or what a cut. It's something you attach with a car. Straightforward. When you pass, you will detect. You don't need to go and touch something like that. Just wasting time.
Okay, because I say just now, maybe I just drive